back to another video, back to another unboxing, and this one is Nintendo themed. Whoa! Sorry. Nintendo sent this box out. Sorry it didn't get here. The release date on Friday, shipping stuff happened, and it's here now. Now I know some of y'all are like getting tired of me scaring you, so I'm not gonna do it this video. What? I'm not. The knife is already out. I normally do it before. No, I promise you guys, I'm not going to scare you. Just relax, take a deep breath. You don't have to cringe and hold and the volume, and you don't got to do any of that. We're good, okay? Guys, I'm serious. Look, I'm already done with the knife, see? Let's look at the box. Thank you, Nintendo, for sending this box out. Very nice of you. Okay, I need to see what, I should open it before I thank you. You could have sent some boogers. First thing is the game. So this is a nice cover. This is the Mario Tennis Aces. Ah! Get in the zone, auto zone. No, it doesn't say that, but it does say get in the zone. I'm sorry, I watch too much TV. I like the way the case looks, and the little lonely disc. Been watching C&D do this. Oh, that was my first time doing that. Oh. 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 Okay. Kids, don't do that. That's why they have it tasting like that. Y'all don't be looking. That was my first time doing that. Oh, they sent me some Mario Tennis Aces tennis balls. These, I guess, are these retail? I guess you could buy them somewhere. Oh, these are for promotional use only, not for resale. So haha, me only. I'm sure some other people got this box, but there you go. And then on the back, it has the Nintendo Switch logo. That is really cool. And so they sent me 3 balls. And let's see, what else we got here? Oh, we got some, they really want me to get decked out here. So we got some sweatbands. And let's see, it says Mario Tennis Aces right on there. Very cool. Go ahead and put one on my, how do I put this? I don't work out. Cool. Okay, so we'll put it like right there. I'll just use one. I'm gonna keep one in the package. So yeah. And then, ooh. Oh, okay. So just red and green hats. No Nintendo stuff on there. Obviously my color. My head is not. My head is bigger. Okay. Okay, that's a little bit better. Still a little tight, but that's good. Or I could have the green one in there. Okay, and oh, I didn't see all 4. They said, what? Okay, you know what? Just stop it. All right, and they sent me 4 trophies. So when I had people over, what's people over called? Is that company or friends? I don't know. Anyway, so when I have them over and they win, I hate the trophies. So I have 4 trophies. This is cool. 4 trophies, 3 balls, 2 hats, 2 sweatbands, and a partridge in a. Okay, and the box is empty. Okay. Wait, hold on. Watch. See, you see, I just see me doing the juggling. Watch me. Hold on. Watch me do this. Sorry, I'm singing Jaden's. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna do 3 balls. Here we go. Well, yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that snap. Okay, that was terrible. All right, guys. So Mario Tennis is I'll put a link to the game below if you want to buy it direct. I learned tennis, like the score system, because of Mario Tennis back in the day. I believe starting maybe on the Super Nintendo or 64. I had no idea how the system worked for tennis, the love and all that. I learned it from Mario. Same thing with golf. I had no idea how golf worked until I played Mario Golf, and I learned from there. So Mario has that stuff again. I just coughed it up. Don't ever lick one of these, man. Let me know if Mario's taught you any sports in the comments below. I'm actually serious about that. Like, I'm not the only one who learned scoring systems thanks to Mario. I appreciate you watching. If you're new here, please subscribe and thumb up the video if you enjoyed it. All of that is always appreciated. I know we say it all the time. If you want to see some behind the scenes vloggy stuff, I'm doing that on Instagram TV now. Keeping this channel for this and doing something different over there. If you want to, follow. If you don't, then you won't get that content. I won't force it on you. So I will talk to you later. Bye!